brown.
Blue.
No, brown.
Blue.
Which one's blue?
Blue.
What's this one?
Ha
What's that one? Blue?
Blue.
Yep. All right, show me blue. Good job. Okay, now do purple.
Make a lion.
Now do purple. Nope, that's green.
Bean.
Green, that's right.
Bean? She calls green bean.
Okay, what's that? Purple.
Purple. She calls purple.
Can you get it? Can you help her, Sissy?
Okay. I'll bite it off.
Purple. Okay, what about red? Oh, how about yellow? Can you say yellow? Jillian, can you say yellow? She said it earlier. Red. Color red. Jilly, say red.
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 Perfect. Okay, what's next? What's next? What's the next color? Black. Jillian. Jillian, black.
Black.
And blue. That one's blue.
Blue.
That's right. Okay, where's yellow?
Shadow.
There you go. Red. Red. Can you say red? She's like, I already said red, Mom. Yep, that's Daddy. You're drawing on your leg. Red.
Soon she's gonna give up.
Jillian, will you get a purple, please? Get a purple. You were supposed to let her. Can you say purple? Purple. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.